Can I use bread flour for cookies? Well, sure you can. And trust me, the result is chewy and crispy cookies. Why should you use bread flour? Bread flour comes in a variety of whole and white wheat. In addition to that, its protein content is higher than all-purpose flour. Essentially, gluten is the stringy strands that provide bread dough its elasticity. The main reason why bread flour makes chewier cookies than other flours is the distinctive factor among various kinds of flour: protein content. Moreover, there is better development in the water when the flour has a high protein content. As a result, the dough becomes stronger since there is much development of gluten. In addition to that, there is excellent absorption of liquid in flours with high protein content compared to those with less protein. Because of this, they produce more steam, which puffs cookies more. How bread flour's protein content affects cookies. All-purpose flour contains approximately 11.7% of protein content. On the other hand, cake flour has a low protein content of 10%. Since cake flour does not have that much gluten development, it results in lighter and more tender baked goods than any other type of flour. Meanwhile, bread flour contains a 12.7% protein content. Additionally, flour brands can differ from one another. There are no set standards for protein content in flour varieties. Moreover, the quantity of protein in flour significantly affects the browning of cookies. For example, cookies made with cake flour or all-purpose flour are less brown than those with bread flour. In addition to that, protein content affects a cookie's height. Tips and tricks to make cookies with bread flour. Besides using bread flour, you can add an extra chew using brown sugar in the cookie dough. Also, whenever you have a dry dough, put about 1 to 2 teaspoons of additional liquid for each flour cup. Also, dry doughs are usually the cause of extra liquid absorption. You can stiffen the dough with more bread flour if your dough is still too slack or wet. Folding and stretching during the start of the bulk fermentation is ideal for gluten strength. Also, an imprecise measurement of flour can result in a crumbly and dry texture rather than a delectable and chewy one. For instance, shortbread or biscotti requires more flour to the liquid since it needs to effectively hold the shape. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.